Welcome to this video lecture on the subject optical and microwave engineering. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about SONET and SDH. So what is the need for SONET SDH? These are the standards for optical fiber communication. So which we use for long distance communication of data and also which provides large bandwidth and high data rate. So particularly optical fiber communication have different standards in different countries. Like SONET is the Synchronous Optical Network, which is developed by ANSI, which is an American national standard, and SDH is the Synchronous Digital Hierarchy. It is international telecommunication standard. So these standards are used for optical telecommunication networks. And what are the components of SONET or SDH? So in this picture we can see multiplexers, STS MUX, and ADM means it is an air-drop multiplexer and demultiplexer. So let us see these components in detail. So SONET system consists of signals and devices. So signals are called as synchronous transport signals. So in SONET standard, electrical signal levels are called as synchronous transport signals, and optical signals are called as optical carriers. And SDH specifies the similar system called synchronous transport module, which is STM. So these are the different names are used in the standards. And devices are used in the SONET system as follows: STS multiplexer, demultiplexers, and regenerator, which is used for amplification and again transmission of signal, and air drop multiplexers and terminals. So what is the need for STS multiplexer and demultiplexer? So it provides the interface between the electrical network and optical network. It means multiplexer is used for combining the many electrical signals, and it is corresponding optical signal is generated. So it multiplexes many signals, and STS demultiplexer, an optical OC signal is converted into corresponding electrical signal. So here it includes both conversion and also multiplexing and demultiplexing. So it combines many channels into a single fiber, and air drop multiplexer. So it is the different multiplexer compared to STS. It allows for inserting a different signal. So if we have a different inputs here, we can add the another signal, and also we can extract some wavelength signal. So it is an insertion and extraction of different wavelengths. So if we have three different wavelengths, and if we are going to add some other wavelength, it is allows the adding a wavelength. So add drop multiplexer, it is particularly used in SONET system. And terminals, which are the devices are used services of SONET network, like in local area network or metropolitan area networks. So users or computers or different devices are known as the terminals. And what are connections? So we have seen this diagram already. So in this we can see intermediate connections, like sections, lines, and parts. So these connections are known as uh, sections, that is in between two neighboring devices. So we can see that from STS multiplexer to R, this regenerator, so this is known as the section. So it connects two neighboring devices. And line is which is connecting two multiplexers. For example, from STS multiplexer to ADM is the one line, and similarly second line connects the ADM and demultiplexer. And path is the end-to-end portion from multiplexer to demultiplexer. The end-to-end connection is the path. And what are the layers present in the SONET network? So it includes four functional layers, like path layer, line layer, and section layer. So which is data, which process the data. and photonic layer, which is the physical layer. And it consists of two different networks, like linear network, which may be point to point or multi-point. So for example, we can see here is the point to point network, which does not include any add-drop multiplexer. It connects from STS multiplexer and STS demultiplexer and some generators. So it is direct connection between sender and receiver. So it is the point-to-point network. So next is the multi-point network. So here different terminals are connected here. For example, terminal 1 is connected to multiplexer and terminal 2 is also connected to STS multiplexer. So and terminal 3. So here we several terminals, so it allows communication between different terminals. So these are the assessment questions. Path layer of SONET is responsible for the movement of signal from optical source to optical destination. And linear network can be both point to point and multi-point. So thank you for listening this lecture.